woolly. That's why I really recommend, or wanted to visit with you, that you bring the diamonds out between the pearls and you bring the moonstones out, because then some of the attention in your piece is brought out to the outsides of the piece. It doesn't just stay into that tight middle. It's fluid, it goes out. You see the whole piece then. That's what I would recommend. I know we talked about it a little before, but I wanted to show you here is if you do it with, and you added some rubies to it. I know you might not want to do that, okay? But really, I strongly recommend adding dimensionality to it, because these diamonds would be set between the pearls, so you'd see the dimensionality, the roundness to them, the fluidity, and the whole thing would look more like a flower instead of just like this.